My name is Marco Zani. I am founder and CEO of MarkOne, an innovative company that develops 3D printers for industrial sector. We are creating a unique and disruptive product to meet the real needs from the manufacturing industries. Our focus is on introducing the additive manufacturing inside the production process and change it. Thanks to real-time control of our main board and the patent we hold, we can create stronger and more complex objects in a reliable and reputable way. We make the supply chain more sustainable and efficient, and changing it from mass production to mass customization. We enable customers to integrate know-how and competence to ensure that additive manufacturing is successfully implemented inside the production process. By customizing hardware, software, and services, we can create a right-size solution for our clients. We offer a right-size solution to support our client needs for a faster return on investment. Imagine a world where you can produce the parts locally. Imagine a world where production is local, waste-free, without warehouse, and a sustainable way. This is what we do. Welcome to the next industrial revolution.